Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable a transparent background for video clips you create on Adobe Firefly and the video generator. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to the video generator inside my Firefly account here on adobe.com. And as you can see, that's a blank project. However, I already inserted an example prompt here at the bottom. So in this case here, the artificial intelligence on Adobe Firefly would generate that video clip based on my prompt, and I would see the preview here. However guys, if you'd like to apply a transparent background, you will need to access the generate tab here at the top, expand the advanced settings at the bottom. If you don't see it, let me collapse the camera and frame settings here in general settings, expand advanced settings, and at the top of it you will see transparent background. Enable it so that it may be included or considered here in your prompt or video generation. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.